welcome back to our channel. This is Val.
This is Z.
And today video we're going to do panipuri, known as pakora.
Pakuri.
Pakori.
Pakuri. So, yep.
So this is my favorite snack. It's really popular in India. Panipuri.
Be on the video until the end, and if you like it, please hit like. And I'm seeing it, a lot of people watching our video but not subscribing our channel. Please subscribe to the channel, and yep, see you soon.
Peace. Welcome back. So right now we're going to prep for the panipuri. Today was a good day. I finished cleaning, washing the laundry right now, and we're gonna make a snack. One of our favorite snacks. So I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
So my husband makes the best panipuri, like I said before. So we're gonna show you our secret recipe. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That's a good one, right? Alright. So yeah, I've been making the panipuri since last 3 years. 3.5 years, and this is my own recipe. And if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. So for not further ado, let me just start the video.
Yeah.
So here I have some mint, I have some coriander, I have the green chili. I already put it there inside. I have my different masala style. I have masalas from here, and also I have masalas from India to make it. So I do 2 different type of masalas. I mix it up together and I make it. So let me just take you over there.
We got some yellow potatoes, so I'm gonna clean them. And we also have our chickpeas. I can take the water off?
Yeah, you can take the water off. I know a lot of people don't use the tap water, but I use the tap water. I don't have any problem, you know.
I mean, we have filtered water.
Yeah, there's a filtered water. That's what it is. That's what our landlord said.
Yeah, but we have filtered water here.
Yeah, we got water there. We got water everywhere. We got a lot of water everywhere. Since this is the steel, I always put the 1 lemon inside the pressure cooker. I know a lot of people don't put the lemon, but I try to put the lemon because I don't want it to get black. Because when it got black, I died myself to clean it so many times. Put some salt. And don't be shy putting salt, because regardless you're gonna put extra salt in the when you're gonna mix it. So it's gonna be the same at the end. Ready is ready to go. This is ready to go. Now we're gonna start with the masalas, and I'm gonna make some pani, because that's the main thing to make a good spicy pani. I didn't push you.
Yeah, I honestly like the panipuri spicy. Pretty much when I went to India and I tried it anywhere outside, it wasn't as spicy as the way my husband makes it. But which is pretty surprising, because I thought that it was going to be like spicy like that, but it wasn't. But you get to choose, like, if you want it like medium or really spicy or mild, right?
That's true.
Yeah, they do it for you.
So this is the masala we use, MDH. And you're gonna think, oh, in India have MDH. India have all kind of masalas, and nothing new here.
Yeah, in
Indians have more masalas than I don't.
You can make your own masalas as well.
So this is the panipuri masala what my dad got me from when I went to India, and this is what he likes. But yeah, he made it, and Dad, I'm sorry to say that, but I make better than you.
Oh my god.
So
garam masala.
Yeah, a little bit garam masala. This is amchur powder. This is black salt.
This is black salt.
Yeah. So there's 2 masalas.
This is black salt. And I know it's a little confusing because it's pink. This it gives you like that, right? Flavor.
Yeah.
Amchur powder.
Yeah.
This is amchur powder.
These
are all Indian spices.
And I always put a little bit garlic and ginger powder as well.
You do?
Yeah, I do. I put a little bit.
I never seen you put.
You never see me, but I always put it.
Well, that was new for me.
Yeah, she never seen me. But yeah, I always put a little bit, not too much. A little bit, like a pinch. And
Panipuri is one of that type of snack. Well, for me personally, that I've never tried like anything like Indian before. But once you try it, it has like so much different flavors, and you just want more. Like you crave it, especially if you're one of those that like spicy food. It's definitely like that.
to be honest,
You crave like the snack, you know.
Yeah, when I used to grow up, I used to eat a lot of panipuri. To be honest,
You eat a lot of panipuri.
and my mom, as always, she always make
Over there it's
panipuri too.
common.
Yeah, she
Over
always
there
make
it's common. Everybody's here. I don't see it that much.
I put a little bit of water in it. I put all the masalas in it, and everything is inside. Now it's time to grind it, baby. Spicy. So this is the Valeria's technique that she
I learned from India.
Oh. So we're gonna save up a little bit on the side, and you can put it when you boil the potato, you can put it in the potato. That's what she learned. I don't know where, but she learned it. Some more water in it. Depends how much
Yeah,
you
how
wanna
much
put
you
in.
want.
But I put a little bit. Yeah.
And then
that's
you can add
Now you can add the masalas, you can try it, taste it, you know how you like it, the way you like it, the way you make it. Because there's no flavor without mint.
oh yeah.
What's missing? Some salt, I guess.
Yeah, a little bit of salt, but it's good.
Right?
Oh yeah. I think that's the secret too of the
Yeah.
panipuri.
You gotta make
Put it
it
in with the cold water, right?
Yeah, that's the best thing to do.
Yeah, that's true.
Alrighty. So the water is done. I'm gonna rest a little bit, and meanwhile the potatoes gonna boil.
We'll see you soon. Let's see how much panipuri me and Z can eat. Comment below how many panipuris you guys eat. But the panipuri, there's different ones here. These are smaller because in India they're bigger.
Yeah.
But this does the job, you know, here in America, USA.
We got what we got, you know, because this is America. Hey, Habibi!
So this is the third whistle?
One more, two more, and that's it.
Okay, two more. And that's it.
Mrs. Coker.
Mr. Coker.
You wanna fight? She cooks good, man.
So now we let that cool down. I can't open it, right?
No, you can let it cool down first, and then you can open it.
I can't open it now.
You can open it now. Otherwise, it's gonna. Well, everything is wood here, so
It's a bomb.
that's scary.
And that's what happened to a lot of people. Sometimes they open it and poof.
Here you
That
don't see
happened to my
it.
grandma before.
Here you don't see it that much. That's the reason.
But the food cooks fast in a pressure cooker.
Finally, this is done. I think it's 5 whistles. Yeah, it's 5 whistles, right, babe? Yeah, it's 5
Yeah,
whistles.
5 whistles.
Cool down already. You see it. You gotta make sure before you open it. I know everybody knows, but this video is for them who don't know. So you gotta be really careful. Open this. You see that? Ooh. Damn, babe.
It's looking good.
Yeah. You see, make sure the potatoes are perfectly soft. Yep.
Yeah?
Yep, perfectly soft, boiled, and let me see the chickpeas. Perfectly fine. So now we gotta take out the water from there. This is hot water.
Yeah, that's hot.
You see this? You just have to smash it, smash it. I put all the same masalas that I put it in the pani. I put the same masalas here because those masalas actually give the flavor. So I try to put everything. Alright, time to cut some onions because we like onions in the house. This is spicy. Alright, this is the first bite here, and let's see how it comes out. I always dip it. I like to dip it in. Cheers. That's spicy. That's spicy. So this is our style of making pani puri. Let us know how is your style. If you like it, please like.
Comment below. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on our next video. Peace out.